Good morning, citizens. Today is going to be a great day to vlog. All day today, I'm going to take you guys with me. All day today, I'm going to mix a little business with pleasure. And you're going to come with me. So I'm already washed and my booty is clean. So I have to pick my outfit out. I was going to let y'all pick it out with me, but my room is such a mess. I don't know if I want to do that. Yeah, I have a huge Zora haul. Look, all that stuff over there. Yes, huge Zora haul coming out for you guys. I think if I'm not out too late, I will probably get that done today. But yeah, so it's a little dark. I'm going to pick up breakfast on the go because I'm already late. Babe said I 10 by 10. So I'm just going to pick out something really quick and simple. I don't even know what I'm going to pick out. But I'm just so excited today because I'm filming with my camera. You know, last time I was filming with Pike's camera and I wasn't feeling it. But I'm back. So, yeah. I'm going to get ready. And I will see you guys in a few minutes. And we're going to hit the road.
Wholemeal with a
So
bottled
we
water.
made it to Chick-fil-A in just a nick
Anything
of
else?
time.
And
Guys, we was rushing out the
plain
house
biscuit with
because they
butter
stopped serving.
and honey.
They stopped serving
Plain
breakfast
biscuit with just butter, right?
at
Yes.
Okay.
10:30. Look what
Anything
time it
else?
is.
Nothing else?
I'll take
Okay.
an apple juice.
And no, you don't want the apple juice.
The apple.
Remember?
Oh yeah, no.
Yeah, that's it.
I think I'll have the muffin meal with just the chicken and egg with the water and then just the buttered biscuit and honey.
Yes.
Oh, as
For
well,
$7.66.
can I have a cup of ice water?
Okay, and a cup of ice water, please.
And a cup of ice water. Okay.
All
You're
right.
all set.
Thank you.
Your pleasure.
So we made it. I didn't even get a chance to show y'all my outfit or anything, but I will show y'all when we get to our first destination. So I need to switch the camera.
Put that in the door over there.
I think I'm gonna mount the
You want
camera.
to put it up there?
Yeah, but I'm gonna.
That's easy. All right. Thank you.
Thank you.
Oh,
Have a
can
good
I have
one.
a jelly? Grape jelly, yes.
Chick-fil-A to go.
Thank you, sir. Now the goal is not to get any jelly on my shirt.
Do not get any jelly on your shirt.
That's the goal.
I get a biscuit from Chick-fil-A with some honey. If y'all know about this, I don't know if I'm missing. Do you want to pull over and eat real quick, and then we can hit the road so you
No,
don't?
you can go and get started. I'll make it back to the house real quick. And I'm gonna just put some jelly on my
You want me to put?
muffin and go.
Did he give you jelly?
Yes, I got it right here in the door.
You want me to put it on there, please?
I'm all set.
These are Babe's hash browns. Oh, you look good. They look greasy. There's your hash browns. Okay. Guys, this is my quick breakfast. I just get a butter biscuit. Yum. And always put honey on it. The chicken in the morning, to me, I think is a little too heavy and greasy. So that's why I just get. Give me a little bit of carbs to start my day off. Ooh. Almost got me. Be careful with that. With that jelly. So good. Okay, I will see you guys in a few. I'm gonna enjoy my biscuit, and when we hit the road, I'm checking with you guys. Guys, just checking in. We got about what, 15 more minutes to our destination. I'm just checking in with you guys. Checking in. I feel like this is leaning. It's supposed to be up like this. No, it's not focusing. So guys, I'm in Cartier. This is the waiting area when you're picking up. It's so cute. It's super cute in here. Let me show you my outfit. Since I didn't get to show you my outfit before I left the house. Here's my outfit. Cute little dress from Zara with the shoulder pads. Shoulder pads are definitely in this season. Hey guys, so I did a little bit of shopping. I took care of my business, and now I'm out to dinner. And as soon as my food come out, I'm going to share with you guys. I'm at my favorite restaurant, Cheesecake Factory, and they have indoor dining, but I still opted to do outdoor dining because it's such a beautiful day. Yeah, you can go ahead and enjoy your meal. I'm gonna share my meal with you guys. Look, yum. This is one of my favorite meals. Doesn't it look delicious? And this is Babe's meal. He always gets chicken and biscuits. Doesn't it look so, so good? I'm gonna tear this up. Yes, I am. I'm gonna tear it up. Be on the lookout for an unboxing video, guys. Thanks for hanging out with me. I really enjoyed your company. Until next time, Sid signing off. Peace.